Hey guys, and welcome to Doing Things Dan's Way. What if I told you in less than 5 minutes you could take your view from your high beams from this to this? So a company called Oxio reached out to me and sent me over a set of their high beam replacement bulbs, and the difference is amazing. I mean, take a look at this. This is the view out of a country road going down with the high beams on, just normal view, and then switch to this view here. My goodness, it is amazing how much brighter these bulbs are. Great. If you live out in the country or use your high beams regularly, there's no reason in the world not to do this upgrade. And on this Highlander here, this literally took me less than like 5 minutes to install the bulbs. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. And of course, I'll have links down below to go directly to this.
So if you go to oxio.com, you can see here on their homepage, they have a bulbs finder section where you can go through and just put in your year, make, and model of your car. They also have entire packages for all of these different vehicles. So if I go to my Highlander, which is a 2017 Toyota Highlander, they actually have something called the whole package, which is every single bulb on the car that you can see here. It's pretty complete that they can go around the entire vehicle and change out every single bulb for LED. I'm looking to do this next, but for now what I'm doing is the Headlight high beam kit, which is these LEDs you see here.
And if you use the link that I have, you can 12% discount off of the list price of the bulbs. So let's dive into the Highlander and show you how easy anybody can replace the bulbs in less than 5 minutes. So a quick unboxing here. Their packaging is really, really nice, as you can see. You get a nice user's manual that shows you just kind of roughly how to replace the bulbs as well. And inside you have your two bulbs. So this is what they look like. So this is a direct replacement. There's nothing special you have to do, no adapting, no changing. You can see the 3-chip LEDs there and 3 chips there. And compared to the existing bulb, you can see it's a form, fit, function swap in. There's no problem at all. Nothing mechanical has to be done to it. So let's show you exactly how to pull these out. In general, what we're going to do is the bulb is in there like this. We're going to push on a tab, pull down to release the connector, and then this whole thing just does a little 45-degree turn and pops right out. Now you don't want to touch the bulb on these, on the LED or on the original, because the oils from your finger will get on the glass, and next time it turns on, it'll burn, and then it could explode. So just don't touch the bulb, or if you do, wipe it off with some alcohol or something to get the oils off. So let's show you down here how to get this out. Okay, so here in this Highlander, what we have is, you can see this is the bulb for the high beams. The low beams are over here behind this big cup mechanism. That's the projector bulb. But here on the high beam, it's right here, right in front, right in line with the black terminal, the minus terminal of the battery. So there's a little tab you see right here. And what we need to do is push down on this tab on the bottom, and then take this whole outer piece and slide it down. So I'm going to just push down with my finger and slide down. And it comes right off. So let me show you that again here. So this was it installed, and there's a tab right here. And all you're going to do is just push in on that tab and pull down. So we're just releasing that little hook right there. We're half done. All we have to do is take the new bulb without touching it. And you want the fan facing up here. So we're going to slide it in at kind of a 45-degree angle like that. Get it to slide in there, and then it'll just turn and lock. And it should like click. You should feel it like lock in place, and it should be tight once it's there. So we're just going to take that connector and slide it up. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Let's go do the other side. Okay, over this side, we have that same tab mechanism. We're going to push down the tab, pry and push down from the top. That just slides right off. I'm going to give this guy a little quarter turn and slide him out. There we go. Going to grab our replacement, slide him in. It's an O-ring, so you kind of have to feel it for it. And once it's in, make sure it's in and locked. That's it. Slide the connector on. And that's it.
So here you can see what the original bulbs looked like. So this is a standard high beam with the factory bulbs. I switch out the left side bulb here, and you can see how dramatically different this is. You can see how blue versus a warm light to a cool light. You can see how quickly it turns on as well. And then, of course, you can also see just how much bigger the area is covered by the LED versus the incandescent bulb. And then here you can see, okay, this is both bulbs being replaced with the LEDs, and just how much more dramatic it is.
Wow, one's definitely clearer than the other. Bluer.
Brighter?
Yeah, it's brighter and bluer. The other one's like the yellow. If I'm the driver, I would want the one on the left. But if I was the one who your headlights are in my rear mirror, I would not want that. Blinded. Those are the people I hate on the road.
Beams on. That's just high beams.
Oh, yeah. I hate you people.
Okay, so here we are on a country road. You can see I've got about a quarter mile in front of me, and there's a house at the end of the block there. And these are the standard bulbs, again, the factory original. Now we switch over to the LEDs on both front. You can see that house at the end of the block is completely lit up. In fact, even its roof is clear, as well. All of the trees and bushes and lights and stuff around are just that much brighter. So here, zooming in and switching back and forth, you can see the difference between the two. It's just really, really dramatic. And it's more dramatic in person even than what you're seeing there. So here's another road. This is kind of an upward facing road. So it's one of those where, because of the hard cutoff, you can't really normally see. So here with normal LEDs, you can see up the road a little bit. But with the LEDs, you can see quite a bit higher up the road. That second sign is much more visible. And if we zoom in here and show just kind of a side by side, you can just see the LEDs just shoot a little further down the road, and just a bigger, brighter area. The trees are lit up. You can see deeper into, further down the road. And again, this doesn't even do it as much justice as it really was.
So that'll do it for this Doing Things Dan's Way. So what do you think? Is this something you think was worthwhile? Put it down in the comments below what your thoughts are on how much brighter that is, and whether you would do this. Remember, there are links in the description down below that will go straight to the website, as well as give you a 12% discount if you use my discount code that's down there. So please use the discount code, hit them up, give the video a like if you think this was something that you would do, and you think other people with a Highlander or any car, honestly, should upgrade their high beams to get this much visibility when you're out in the country. I think it's awesome. So let me know in the description, and here are a couple other videos as well about the Highlander life and all the mods I've done to this Highlander. Until next time, guys, be blessed.
I hate you people.